Let's add some sound effects to our game. Now, when you click on the cat sprite, and then you go to the third tab on the top which says Sounds, you'll see that there's already a sound for the cat that's been loaded with the cat. To play the sound, we click on the play button, and that's it. The cat makes a meow sound. Alright, so we're going to make the cat meow when he wins. Okay, so how do we do this? We go back to the Scripts tab, and we're going to make the cat make the sound when he receives the broadcast message from the ball. Remember, when the cat touches the ball, a broadcast message is sent out which says win. So we can make the cat receive that broadcast message and then make the meow sound. So we go to the Events tab and we select When I Receive Win. Next, we go to the Sound tab, click it, and select this piece, Play Sound Meow. That means it'll play the sound just once. Drag it and connect it there. And that's about all we need to do. So we start our game and we move our cat to the ball. Fantastic. Let's test it again. Move our cat to the ball and the cat meows. Save your work.
Thank you for watching this lesson. If you're interested in doing more awesome courses like this one, check out our website. Link is in the description below.